Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Uxcel Go app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Uxcel Go is a mobile learning app designed specifically for UX and UI designers. It offers bite-sized lessons, interactive quizzes, and hands-on challenges that help users sharpen their design knowledge on the go. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or a pro aiming to refresh your skills, the app provides a structured way to study design principles, accessibility, UX writing, and more. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is beautifully designed with a clean interface and intuitive navigation. Lessons are short and engaging, making it easy to stay consistent even with a busy schedule. Users especially like the gamified learning experience. Earning XP and tracking progress adds motivation to keep learning. Offline mode support also allows access to content without internet. That said, there are a few drawbacks. Some users feel the free version is too limited, and advanced content often sits behind a paywall. Others mention occasional bugs during quizzes or slow content loading on older devices. Also, while it's a great tool for theory and knowledge, it doesn't fully replace hands-on practice with design tools like Figma or Sketch. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Uxcel Go is a great option if you want to keep your UX/UI learning active while away from your desk. It's informative, visually appealing, and highly interactive. But for full skill development, it works best alongside other design tools and platforms. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.